We're going to give our JK some more bolt-on power today on CJ Off-Road. If you're looking to add some bolt-on horsepower to the engine of your JK or JL, today we're going to be installing this BBK 78mm throttle body onto our 2012 Jeep Wrangler. This BBK throttle body fits all 2012 to 2018 Jeep JK Wranglers equipped with a 3.6-liter engine. It also fits the brand new 2018 JL, also equipped with a 3.6-liter engine. It's going to be a direct fit and give you 35% more airflow over the factory throttle body. You can estimate a 9 horsepower to 14 horsepower gain over the throttle body, and it's going to completely work with your OEM electronics. It's made in the USA, so let's get it installed. The first step of this installation is to remove the factory throttle body. You can do so with an 8mm socket. Let's get started. As you can see, I do have an aftermarket intake tube, however the same clamp will be used with an 8mm socket. I'm going to get this off first before we can pull the throttle body off. And just pull on that right towards you. With that out, you now have access to the 4 screws around the outside of the throttle body. They're also going to use an 8mm. Let's get them removed. Make sure you hang on to this hardware, you will be reinstalling it. Pull the throttle body out towards you. Don't pull it all the way off. You do have to disconnect this wiring connection right here. Push down on the red tab, then pull the connection out, and you can remove the throttle body. Grab your new BBK throttle body. You're going to place it in like so. With this flange facing out towards you, it's going to get the intake tube back onto it. I like to make the connection first. You'll hear a click, slide the red tab back on, then we can put it onto our intake. Reuse the 4 screws that you just pulled out, put them around each corner. I like to get a couple of them started, and you can come back and get them tightened up with that 8mm socket. After you have all 4 of them tightened up, put this intake tube back on. Make sure it's completely seated nice and tight, then you can tighten down the band clamp. After you have that band clamp tightened down, your installation is complete. We just wrapped up the installation of this BBK throttle body onto our 2012 Jeep Wrangler. This is a super simple installation. It literally took me about 5 minutes to do, and all you need is an 8mm socket. It's going to increase your horsepower. However, once you start it up, make sure that your engine is running right. If not, you might have to disconnect your battery, let it reset, and then you're good to go. Now you can find this throttle body as well as many other great parts for your JK right here at cjponyparts.com.